small complex of 25 townhouses situated on the top of Boundary Road offers great views, security and a breath of fresh air from the Fremantle Doctor. 15 Boundary Road is certainly one to put on your shopping list. Hi, I'm Kylie Mann from Vivian's Real Estate. Let's go have a look. Unit 13 is securely tucked away at the end next to Monument Hill Park. Stepping inside the property, you've got your open plan kitchen and dining with brand new hybrid flooring throughout and the laundry neatly tucked away. The staircase provides a nice barrier to create a separate living area which flows directly through to the rear courtyard, perfect for entertaining and also a nice quiet space to enjoy a drink at the end of the day. Ideally located only 700 metres from the beach and approximately 600 metres from the nearest train station, it's hard to go past this property when you have the benefit of enjoying this pool and barbecue area. I look forward to showing you through soon.